So hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the error page not available. Basically this error occurs when you try to start Windows security. So in my case, when I used to before fixing this, when I used to click Windows security, I I get this error. Now I had fixed the error, so let me show you guys how I did it. So first I just went to run, and from here just type this, okay, c/windows/system32, and then okay. After that you need to find security health. Just type S on your keyboard, or you can just type here. So just type S and then you will see everything which starts with S. So you need to click security health. After that you will find this, right? When you come to this place, then right click here and click run as administrator. So yeah, it will close by its own, and after it's done your problem will be fixed. So yeah, that's how I fix my problem, so you can fix your problem as well. So if it doesn't work, then I have another process. So for that you just need to go to search and type cmd command prompt, and then this will pop up, and here you need to type some of the codes I will provide. So here you just need to, as you can see, these are the codes. Just copy this and paste here and type enter. So it says access is denied. Don't worry, just do it for everyone. It may say something else, it may say anything. So just do the process, and after that restart your computer and then try to open Windows security. I hope this will work for you, and if it doesn't work, then please share the experience why it didn't work. Just type it on the comments so that I can make another fix for you guys. Hope this video helpful. If it did help, then please like my video. Thank you.